So while that's loading is thinking, I want to kind of take you to what some of these settings mean, like remix mode, for instance. Let's say, you know
Mhm.
what, I really like this bottom right image right here of the young lady. Let's go. I really like this
Oh, those
image
are
right
good.
here. I wonder what it would look like if it was blue. So
Mm, mm,
from one, two, three, four, that's what U1 to U4 is. U1 to U4 means uh, upscale. So Midjourney is going to always give you four different images, no matter what. And then from there is where you're going to kind of like pick, okay, which one am I feeling the most? I'm feeling the bottom fourth one. So that's the one I want to upscale. So U4, and that's going to give me the image by itself. So
mhm,
that way it's going to give me the image by itself. So that way when I click open original, I have a big a upscale version of it that I could just right click, save the downloads, and be able to
mhm,
bring it in Lightroom, Photoshop, and do my thing with it. Um,
okay.
so the reason why you want to be able to keep that remix mode on is when you press U4. Oh wait, my bad. Variation. Okay, variation one, two, three, four means, hey, you know what? This top left hand corner image is kind of too bright, but I like the vibe of it. Let me click
Mhm,
V1 because it allows me to be able to modify and create a different vibe with it. So let's say it has all orange pastel colors. Let's say I want
mhm.
all blue pastel colors
Oh, wow.
taken by a Nikon camera. You know what? Let's say we want to take it with a Sony 6600.
And
So
there's the photography knowledge. Okay.
that's photography knowledge because you know what I'm saying this is a shot that a photographer would basically take.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, right.
U1 to U4 means we want to upscale just one image, right?
Mhm,
We want to
mhm,
scale whether it's one, two, three, or four. And what the variation means is, you know what? I'm feeling this, but I want to create a different version of it. I want to give it an opportunity to be able to give me something different, but I need it to look like this. Um,
mm,
and then with on the right hand side, re-roll means, you know what? I'm not feeling none of these four. So I'm gonna re-roll it and I'm gonna get four new images. And this
okay.
idea, this idea that the AI art gives you something perfect every time is completely false because it doesn't.
Mm,
So you
mhm.
are probably gonna find yourself re-rolling a lot just to fine tune and get the right thing. So
Yeah.
all right, so let's go to our black man with dreadlocks, mystical meditation, and this is what we got.
Mhm.
We got one, two, three, four. Um, Pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? Came out with it. Which one are you feeling the most?
The one that my eyes are instantly going towards is the one at the bottom right corner. I feel like that's the same for you too, because you keep hovering over it.
It is, it
So,
is, it is.
mhm.
And I want you to get used to calling it one, two, three, four. So that way
Okay,
you
okay.
when you're upscaling and you're doing the variations, you know exactly, what to access. So from here, we're going to click upscale four.
Mhm,
And it's going to create the image by itself, just like it did here. So
mhm.
that way it can we can take it to the next step and of our creation. So
That's pretty good for what, 2 prompts or two phrases?
two phrases,
Y
black man with dreadlocks, mystical meditations. And I'm pretty sure you see all of these other prompts that I've added with
Yeah.
these other things.
Mhm,
um and that's like an advanced metric, but at the end of the day you could keep it very simple and it could be
mhm.
just as effective.
See, and this is what I'm enjoying about this. The creativity is not coming from the AI, the creativity is coming from your mind. Because if you don't can't articulate the phrases, right? Almost to like exactly what you want to see. And it's like you said, then the AI is not going to think for you.